Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. The intro is the opening section of your content. Its job is to grab attention, set the tone, and tell the audience why they should keep watching or listening. In a product-focused video like a DJI Neo 2 breakdown, it's also where you tease the most exciting features, leaked footage, and early glimpse. DJI Neo 2 recently surfaced in leaked footage, showing an agile Cinewhoop-style drone with enhanced ducted propellers and stronger stabilization, likely hinting at improvements over the original Neo.FCC certification and battery upgrade. The drone has been certified by the US FCC with a 1606 MAE 11.6 Wh battery, about 10 to 12% larger than the Neos, suggesting slightly extended flight time, possibly exceeding 20 minutes. Design and safety enhancements leaks indicate a double-layered propeller guard, offering enhanced indoor safety while maintaining the compact, lightweight form factor. Possible connectivity improvements rumors suggest DJI may upgrade transmission tech from basic Wi-Fi to possibly OcuSync 03. Improving range and stability, though this hasn't been confirmed yet. Voice control speculation earlier. Leaks around the original Neo hinted at voice control features, a trend that could carry forward. 2 Neo, making drone operation more intuitive, especially for beginners. Release timeline: industry insiders, including reputable leakers, suggest the Neo 2 is expected to launch in late 2025, potentially around the holiday season. Official specs and release date: no official specifications, release dates, or pricing details have been released by DJI yet. Although some YouTube videos claim a July 2025 launch and $549 price, these remain unverified rumors. The original, the DJI Neo 2024 model, is already on the market with features including weight, 135 grams, sub 250 grams. No registration required. Many countries, flight time, up to 18 minutes, camera, 4K 30 FPS video, 12 MP photos, 1-axis gimbal, 22 GB internal storage, intelligent quick shoot modes, drone, circle, rocket, helix, boomerang, subject tracking, controls, palm takeoff, landing app, or optional RC. Price at launch: €199 base, €349. Design: Cinewhoop style. Double guard props battery, 1606 mAh, 10 to 12% more than Neo. Flight time likely 20-minute. Stabilization improved for sharper maneuvers. Controls: potential voice control, smarter AI connectivity, possible OcuSync 03, not confirmed release, rumored late 2025 price, no official info yet, $549 rumored. The DJI Neo appears to be an evolutionary upgrade over the Neo, focusing on improved battery life, enhanced safety, and better stabilization, while promising leaks suggest exciting potential. We're still waiting for DJI to officially confirm specs, release date, and pricing. Keep an eye on news later this year as DJI gears up to possibly launch Neo 2 alongside their other rumored drones like the Avata 3 and Mini 5 Pro. Subscribe for our hands-on review when it launches, and drop a comment with the feature you're most excited about.